Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video for you all about low carb smoothies, how to make low carb smoothies, loads of ideas for ingredients to keep in your fridge and pantry and around the kitchen so that you can at any moment make a low carb smoothie that's healthy, nutritious and just so good. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have all the ingredient ideas as well as loads of recipe ideas to put them all together to make some lovely low carb smoothies. And also make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know your favorite low carb smoothie. I look forward to reading your comments. So I'm going to go through all these ingredients and chat through some smoothie ideas too as we go. But you can't make smoothies without a blender, and I love my NutriBullet. I use it regularly. It's got 2 cups. I've always got the small one to hand, and I can easily blend up ingredients to make a smoothie. I've got my chia jam. I've shared a few different versions of this, most recently frozen fruit chia, which I've got in the jar over here, and a couple of tablespoons of that gives a lovely sweetness. And berries, if you don't have fresh, which I do have here, they're in the season in Ireland at the moment and beautiful and fresh and luscious. And while eating a whole punnet is not quite low carb, you could add about 3-4 depending on the size of those lovely berries into a smoothie and have a nice fresh strawberry smoothie that's low carb friendly too. And for sweetness, I usually use stevia as my sweetener of choice, but you can use whichever you like. For milk, regular milk is quite high in carbs, so I opt for almond milk instead, and it tastes lovely with all these ingredients in a smoothie. You can try different low carb non-dairy milks, which also have lower sugar count than dairy milk, but that doesn't stop you adding in some fresh cream, which is low in carbs and high in fat, and adds beautiful creaminess and tastiness to any smoothie. And for yogurt, I tend to go for whole milk natural yogurts because they tend to be the lowest in carb. A couple of dollops of yogurt give more creaminess and add protein and nutrition too. And mascarpone is just a beautiful low carb and high fat ingredient. I love it. You could make mascarpone with strawberries and a bit of cream, some almond milk, and you've got a beautiful, rich, creamy and sweet smoothie. And with berries also, I forgot to mention, of course, you can use frozen berries. Keep frozen berries in the freezer and you've got a lovely ingredient to incorporate into smoothies, especially in summer. A nice frosty smoothie is most welcome. And chocolate options, we've got cocoa powder as well as actual chocolate. You could add a couple of teaspoons or even a tablespoon of cocoa powder or a row of dark chocolate for a really chocolatey delicious smoothie. And another one I've shared is lemon with a bit of turmeric. It's just so light and luscious and just perfect for summer, perfect all year round. Absolutely love lemon turmeric in a smoothie. But as I said in the blog post down below, I'll have the full recipe for the lemon smoothie. And some nuts. I've got some shelled pistachio nuts. You could grind some down or just sprinkle some nuts on top for some protein and some nutty goodness, as well as, of course, chia seeds. I love chia seeds mixed into a smoothie, on top of a smoothie, just thickens it and adds so much fiber and protein and nutrition. Chia seeds are just little superfood powerhouses. And finally, I've got protein powder, and it's up to you whether you want to include protein powder in your diet. Find a low carb one. This one's all just with whole foods and it's so good. It's high in protein, gluten free, and just so lovely way to make a chocolate smoothie that also includes a generous portion of protein. So there you go, those are all of my low carb smoothie essentials, how to put together a low carb smoothie. There's so many ways that you can enjoy a low carb smoothie, and as I said, I will leave a link down below to the blog post with all the list of ingredients that you can include, as well as recipes to make all kinds of low carb smoothies. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know your favorite low carb smoothie. I look forward to reading your comments. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.